Cobblestones catching the morning haze, soft limestone breathing in the rays, shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin, blue shutters drinking the light within. Golden hour, limestone tower, steam from the cafe, a sylvan tracing the border of the day's design. Everything's held in a crystalline, everything's fine, everything's fine. Worn steps and iron lace, light shifting through the space. The cobbles hum beneath my feet, a meditated pulse on the stone street. Shadows retreating, a sweet retreat. Morning in the air, morning complete. Crystalline light, morning haze, cobblestone days. Cobblestones catching the morning haze, soft limestone breathing in the rays, shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin, blue shutters drinking the light within. Golden hour, limestone tower, steam from the cafe, a sylvan Cobblestones catching the morning haze, soft limestone breathing in the rays, shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin, blue shutters drinking the light within. Golden hour, limestone tower, steam from the cafe, a sylvan tracing the border of the day's design. Everything's held in a crystalline, everything's fine, everything's fine. Worn steps and iron lace, light shifting through the space. The cobbles hum beneath my feet, a meditated pulse on the stone street.
So this is our Vespa today. We have changed the color from red to this blue one. I mean, it's not really blue, but anyways. And this is Chunnambaram boat house. It's a nice place. Our tickets are also very cheap, not really that much expensive. 10 rupees for adults, and for two-wheeler parking, 20 rupees I think. Yeah, like that. 12 rupees. Yeah, so it's really not that much expensive. And here we are going towards the boat house. From here we will be going to Paradise Beach. Look at this. It's raining, but anyways, it's a good place. It's a beautiful place. It's a way to Paradise Beach, by the way, and main gate it's like maybe 50 to 80 meters away. So we just have to walk that bridge.
Cobblestones catching the morning haze, soft limestone breathing in the rays, shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin, blue shutters hum beneath my feet. A meditated pulse on the stone street. Shadows retreating, a sweet retreat. Morning in the air, morning complete. Crystalline light, morning haze, cobblestone days. Cobblestones catching the morning haze. Soft limestone breathing in the rays. Shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin. Blue shutters drinking the light within. Golden hour, limestone tower. Steam from the cafe, a sylvan tracing the border of the day's design. Everything's held in a crystalline, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Worn steps and iron lace. Light shifting through the space. The cobbles hum beneath my feet. A meditated pulse on the stone street. Shadows retreating, a sweet retreat. Morning in the air, morning complete. Crystalline light, morning haze, cobblestone days. Cobblestones catching the morning haze. Soft limestone breathing in the rays. Shadows stretching long and thin. Wait for the velvet hour to begin. The town is waking in a golden skin.